Recording.
Welcome everyone. Today we're going to discuss drop and rescue and how it works with natural disasters. Natural disasters are things that happen in nature that can affect us as humans and animals. Let's take a closer look at what we're going to build and program today. So you can see here we have our helicopter. This is our rescue helicopter. We're going to use it to collect a panda, and we're going to rescue it from a natural disaster and take it somewhere safe. So what we'll do is we're going to attach the chains to the top of our little panda. Oh, he's falling apart a little bit here. Oh, goodness. Once you have him attached safely, you will see our movement is going to happen with our chain, where we're going to pick him up and take him to a safe place. So we'll press our first program, which will then lift him up, and we can lift him up a little bit higher. We will then fly him around to somewhere safe, and where it's safe, we will then drop him back down into a safe place. So what's going to happen is we'll take him from his wherever he was in a dangerous place, and let's see it again. So we've got him attached to the top. We're going to come in and rescue on our rescue helicopter. We're going to lift him up, and we're going to lift him up again, fly him around to somewhere that is safe, and then we're going to drop him back down. So that's what we're going to learn about in this lesson. Let's take a closer look at what Max and Mia want us to do today. That's Max and Mia's video. Let's learn more about natural disasters to see how we can help them. Natural disasters are serious weather-related hazards that can destroy areas very quickly and very violently. As you can see on your screen, there's lots of different natural disasters: earthquakes, tsunamis, tornado, forest fires, volcanoes, drought, floods, hurricanes, and avalanche. Depending on where you live, you will be affected by different types of natural disasters. For example, if you live closer to a beach or a tectonic plate, you will probably have a better chance of having a tsunami, which is a big wave, or an earthquake. Often in America, they have lots of tornadoes, which takes over it's like a funnel of air that then will suck up things and put them into the tornado. It causes a lot of damage. Forest fires are very problematic for animals, and a drought affects all animals and people. So when this happens, it puts animals and people in danger. Lightning and fire. Lightning storms are responsible for a lot of natural fires. When fire starts, it can destroy habitats very quickly. Also, if you're in places like Cape Town, there's a lot of wind there near Table Mountain. So if a fire breaks out, it's very difficult to put out. Wind. Strong winds and floods can also be hazards. So when we talk about strong winds, that relates back to where we have hurricanes and tornadoes, and hurricanes normally also bring floods. Floods are also very dangerous. A flood is a rise in water with no place to go. Hurricanes, broken dams, rapid thawing of snow, and heavy rain can cause floods. Often in Johannesburg, we experience flash floods. So that is when there's a lot of rain that happens in one time, and then there's nowhere for it to go, or we don't have enough drainage systems. In extreme cases, authorities send rescue missions. Helicopters can be used to lift up and fly animals and people out of danger, or bring them supplies to those in need. A helicopter is useful because it can go to multiple locations. What's nice about our helicopter is that it will be able to rescue animals and people. So let's talk more about how this helicopter will then work in an emergency situation. Like we showed earlier in the video, it will be able to rescue animals. We can also use it to rescue people. We can also use this to have a bucket of water, just like is the one that's on your screen, where it will pick up water from a dam or a river, and it will then be able to be dropped onto a place that is experiencing fires. So there is a lot of different things that you can use helicopters for. Like we also mentioned, it's really nice because it can land in different locations. It doesn't need a runway like an aeroplane. Thank you so much for joining me today. In the next coming video, you will learn how to build our helicopter, and then after that, how to program it. I cannot wait to see you, and keep practicing.